Hi everyone. Hi guys, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So I hope that now all of you know about vote. So now we guys can also give our vote like our elders, and if you have not registered yourself for the voting, then go and register yourself now. तो जाइए अपने आप को रजिस्टर कीजिए on the link that is given in the description box. There is a link in the description box. You all have to visit that link and you have to register yourself if you want to give vote this year. So don't miss this. Only one day is left. So go and register yourself quickly. जल्दी से जाइए और अपने आप को रजिस्टर कीजिए. So this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having your economics session with Neha Ma'am. So this is your class 12th accountancy session, and if you guys want to score more than 95 in boards, then stay tuned till the end of this session. तो अगर आपको लाने हैं 95 से ऊपर मार्क्स तो इस क्लास को एंड तक देखिए. And if you are worried that how we will complete the syllabus, कैसे होगा syllabus, कैसे अच्छे नंबर आएंगे, so don't worry, don't get worried. We are here, Vedantu is here to solve your doubts. We will be solving each and every doubt of yours. You don't need to worry about anything. So, to score good marks, you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects. सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस देखो, चाहे वो अकाउंट्स हो, मैथमेटिक्स हो, whether it is business studies or economics. So you can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects. Also, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. So highly qualified teachers will be teaching you live, and they will continuously focus on your areas of improvement. हर टीचर आपकी improvement पर काम करेगी. They will work on your weakness. Along with that, we will also provide you assignments. We will conduct regular tests, and all these classes will be conducted in English only. All the classes will be conducted in English. So the actual price of this pro subscription is 3,499. But right now you can get this for only 2,799 because we are giving flat 20% discount. So go and use my code SCPRO to take your pro subscription at flat 20% discount. And I would love to see you all on pro subscription. तो जिसको लाने हैं अच्छे मार्क्स और अपने पेरेंट्स को कराना है प्राउड फील, तो जाइए और अभी लीजिए प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्लैट 20% डिस्काउंट पर. And for upcoming session and notes, you can also join us on Telegram. The link of Telegram is given in the description box below. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. So, I don't think that all of you know this, but let me tell you that from yesterday we have started a 2-month strategy plan for all of you. So if you guys are worried about your final boards exam, then don't worry. Do join me daily at 6 p.m. so that we can follow this 2-month strategy to score good marks in a boards exam. तो अगर आपको लाने हैं अच्छे marks, then you have to do nothing. You have to join me daily at 6 p.m. and we will be doing important topic. We will do important question every day. So in yesterday's session, we have done the chapter NPO. And today we will do the second chapter, Today we will do chapter 2, accounting for partnership firm. So today we are going to doing this chapter, which is of 4 marks. तो ये चैप्टर कितने नंबर का है? 4 मार्क्स का, और एक क्वेश्चन पक्का डेफिनेटली 1 क्वेश्चन विल कम. So let's start this session now and let's prepare for those 4 marks. So first I am going to tell you that out of this chapter, what you have to do and how many days you have to give to this chapter. हमें कितने दिन में ये चैप्टर करना है और हमें कौन कौन से टॉपिक करने हैं. Which topic we are required to do and in how many days. So, you need only 3 days to complete this entire chapter. हमें सिर्फ 3 दिन चाहिए इस चैप्टर को करने के लिए. And this is your schedule for 3 days. On first day, you will do P&L appropriation account. Hi, Krishna. I am all good, Krishna. What about you? So on first day, we will do the questions of P&L appropriation account. On second day, we will do the topic table showing past adjustment. And on third day, we will do guarantee given to our partner. So these are the 3 topics that you have to do in 3 days. हमें इस चैप्टर को टोटल 3 दिन देने हैं और हमें ये टॉपिक्स करने हैं in those 3 days. On first day, P&L appropriation account. On second day, table showing adjustment. And on third day, guarantee given to our partner. Krishna, it is already started. From yesterday, we have started the class 12th new batch at 4 p.m. So you can join me tomorrow at 4 p.m. Now, we will be discussing each and every topic again. हम लोग P&L appropriation दोबारा से देखेंगे. हम लोग table showing past adjustment देखेंगे. And we will look at guarantee given to our partner. Yes, Krishna, on YouTube, we have started the class 12th new batch. Hi, Sachin. So, this is your P&L appropriation account, and 1 question from this account may come in your exam for 4 marks. इसका एक क्वेश्चन 4 नंबर का आपके बोर्ड में आ सकता है. There are 80 to 90% chances. सचिन P&L appropriation करवा रहे हैं. So this is your P&L appropriation account, which is a nominal account. P&L appropriation account is a nominal account. On debit side, you will record all the expenses. Debit side हम क्या record करेंगे? सारे के सारे खर्चे. So debit side, you will record interest on capital, partner's salary and partner's commission. अगर आप पार्टनर को कुछ भी देते हो, if you are giving anything to the partner, that is the expense of the firm and therefore it will be recorded on the debit side. Because ये खर्चा है और खर्चे क्या होते हैं? Debit होते हैं. So you will record all the expenses on the debit side. Interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, and if any of the profits are transferred to reserve, अगर कोई भी profit आपने reserve में transfer किया है, then that will be recorded on the debit side. So these are the 4 items that you will record on the debit side. Interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission, and transfer to reserve. On the credit side, you will record all the income. On the credit side, you will record all the income. So the first step in the P&L appropriation account, हमारा सबसे पहले काम क्या होता है? The first step is to record the profit. सबसे पहले आप प्रॉफिट रिकॉर्ड करोगे ऑन दी क्रेडिट साइड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल रिकॉर्ड द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द ईयर ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. जो भी आपके साल के एंड पर प्रॉफिट है उसको आप रिकॉर्ड करोगे ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. Then after recording this profit, you will record all the expenses on the debit side. आप सारे के सारे खर्चे डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड कर लोगे. And if any of the profit is transferred to reserve, then that will be also recorded on the debit side. And at last, you will record the income. If interest on drawing is charged from the partner, अगर आप पार्टनर से इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग ले रहे हो, इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन दी क्रेडिट साइड. सो बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग, इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन दी क्रेडिट साइड बिकॉज इट इज इनकम. सो वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द करंट ईयर, we have recorded the income on the credit side, and we have recorded all the expenses. After recording all the item, you will find out the balancing figure. जब आप सारे आइटम रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे तब आप बैलेंसिंग फिगर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Now there can be two cases. Your debit side can be more than credit side, or your credit side can be more than debit side. जब आप अकाउंट को क्लोज करोगे, either the credit side can be more or debit side total can be more. So if credit side is more than the debit side, the balancing figure will be profit. But if debit side is more than the credit side, then the balancing figure will be loss. And whatever it is, whether it is profit or it is loss, it will be distributed among the partner in their profit sharing ratio. चाहे प्रॉफिट आए चाहे लॉस आए, आप उसको पार्टनर्स में बांट दोगे उनकी रेशो में. हाय साफी. So this is your P&L appropriation account. We will record all the expenses on the debit side. We will record profit and income on the credit side. And then at the end of the year, you will compare the debit and credit side. You will find out the balancing figure, which will be either profit or loss. And whatever it is, it will be distributed among the partner in the profit sharing ratio. आप इसको partners में बांट दोगे. So this is your P&L appropriation account. Now, the examiner at the same time may ask you to prepare capital account and current account. हमें capital account और current account भी पूछा जा सकता है. तो पहले हम एक इसका एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं, then we will do capital account and current account. So now we will do one example of P&L appropriation account. And this is your question. ये है हमारा question. So in the question, it is given that Sajal and Kajal are two partners. Sajal and Kajal are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. दो पार्टनर है सजल एंड काजल जिनकी रेशो क्या है 2:1. On 1st April 2017, their capitals were Sajal 50,000, Kajal 40,000. Capitals given है. You are required to prepare P&L appropriation account एंड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. आपको क्या बनाना है? आपको P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बनाना है और कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाना है एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. साफी, आई सेड हाई टू यू. मैंने बोला हाई, यू इग्नोर्ड दैट. So, you have to prepare P&L appropriation account and capital account from the following information. So now, let's read this question. The first point is interest on capital is to be allowed at 5%. So interest on capital क्या है? It is expense. You will record on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Because it is expense. So 5% of 50,000 will be 2,500 and 5% of 4,000 will be 2,000. So this is interest on capital. You will record on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Then interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year. Kajal ने loan दिया है of 30,000 and you have to give interest on loan. So if the rate is not given, the interest on loan will be given at 6%. अगर interest on loan का rate नहीं दिया हुआ, it will be given at 6% per annum. So 6% of 30,000 will be 1,800. 6% of 30,000 will be 1,800. Thank you so much, Safi. Hi, Miss Cute Song. A very good evening. Third, interest on partner drawing at 6% per annum. You have to charge interest on partner drawing at 6% per annum. So we will calculate interest on drawing. Sajal drawing at 10,000. So 10,000 multiply by 6 by 100 multiply by 6 by 12. By default, we will calculate the interest on drawing for 6 months. If the date of drawing is not given, by default, you will calculate interest for how many months? For 6 months. So it will be 300 rupees. It will be 300 rupees. Now, similarly, we will calculate interest on Kajal drawing. So, Kajal drawing are 8,000 multiplied by rate 6% multiplied by month 6 by 12. So, it will be 240 rupees. It will be 240 rupees. So, these are the interest on drawing. 300 on Sajal drawing and 240 on Kajal drawing. Hi Harmit, a very good evening. Hi Piyush, a very good evening. Now we will record all these items in the P&L appropriation account. But before P&L appropriation account, please listen to this very carefully. इससे पहले हम P&L appropriation बनाएं, हमें क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? P&L account. Before P&L appropriation, we will prepare P&L account because there is charge. यहाँ पर क्या है? Charge given है. Interest on loan is not appropriation, it is charge. So first we will prepare P&L account and then we will prepare P&L appropriation account. Miss Cute Song, death of the partner is deleted from your syllabus. आपके syllabus में वो है ही नहीं. The deceased partner capital account, the executor account is now deleted from your syllabus. So there is nothing to do in that chapter. Only retirement is in your syllabus. So first we will prepare P&L account. So the profit for the year given is 70,260. ये है आपका profit. And Then you will record the interest on Kajal loan. Then you will record interest on Kajal loan 1800. So the profit that will be transferred to P&L appropriation account is 68,460 rupees. कौन सा प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर होगा P&L appropriation account में? This one, because this is after interest on loan. So you will transfer this profit to P&L appropriation account. In 2-3 days, we will be doing retirement chapter. So now coming on to P&L appropriation account. From P&L account, how much profit was transferred? कितना profit transfer हुआ था? 68,460. Now you will record all the appropriation on debit side. Interest on loan, Sajal and Kajal. Reserve हम अभी करेंगे, अभी थोड़ी देर में reserve की amount calculate करेंगे. So first we will give interest on capital to the partner. This is expense. You will record on the debit side. Then you will record interest on drawing on the credit side. Interest on drawing कहाँ record करेंगे? Credit side. So Sajal 300, Kajal 240. Sajal 300, Kajal 240. This is your interest on drawing. Fixed capital में दो account आते हैं, Miss Cute Song. Guys, those have doubts, you guys can ask me doubts at the end of the session. If you guys have any doubts in this question, then you can ask it right now. But अगर आपको किसी और topic से related doubt है, then please ask your doubts at the end of the session, because otherwise I won't be able to complete this question. So now your total profit will be 68,460 plus 540. So your profit will be 69,000. Your profit will be 69,000. From this you will subtract interest on drawing. From 69,000 you will subtract interest on drawing. So interest on capital, sorry. So 69,000 minus 4,500. 69,000 minus 4,500. Your profit is 64,500. 64,500. So now your divisible profit is 64,500. कितना आया divisible profit? 64,500. And 10% of divisible profit. 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. So divisible profit is 64,500. 10% of this will be 6450. 10% of divisible profit is 6450. So to reserves, we will transfer 6450. This is the amount which will be transferred to reserve. And then you will calculate the divisible profit. So do the total of credit side, 69,000. Subtract the debit side. The total of debit side is 10,950. So 69,000 में से हम लोग minus कर देंगे 10,950 and your profit is 58,050 rupees. 58,050 rupees, which will be distributed between Sajal and Kajal in their ratio. ये प्रॉफिट आप सजल एंड काजल में बांट दोगे इन देयर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो. So this is P&L appropriation account. I have also given you the example of same. Krishna, sorry I can't tell you the exact number because I don't have any idea. You can join me tomorrow for class 11th, because if you will ask right now, it will be a disturbance for class 12 students. Okay. So these are your working notes. We have also prepared the working notes for your reference, for your help. The current account is made, Piyush, because the capital are fixed at that time and you cannot make any changes in the capital. So therefore, we make current account. Now, the capital account is also one of the most important topic, because in every chapter of partnership, we are required to prepare capital account. तो कैपिटल अकाउंट से जरूरी हमारी क्लास 12 में कुछ है ही नहीं. कैपिटल अकाउंट इज इन 5 chapters. So this is very important. So, for example, the capitals are fixed. If your capitals are fixed, then how will you prepare the capital account? अगर आपकी कैपिटल फिक्स्ड है तो आप कौन कौन से अकाउंट बनाओगे? So let me tell you this with the explanation. Sometimes the capitals are fixed and sometimes the capitals are fluctuating. Sometimes the capitals are fixed and sometimes the capitals are fluctuating. So if the capitals are fixed, you have to prepare 2 account. अगर capital fixed है तो हमें 2 account बनाने हैं. We have to prepare capital account and we have to prepare current account. If the capitals are fixed, we have to prepare capital account, we have to prepare current account. Attack आना होता तो अब तक आ जाता. Fluctuating. When the capitals are fluctuating, you prepare only one account, that is capital account. That is capital account. So your capitals can be of 2 types, fixed and fluctuating. If the capitals are fixed, you will prepare 2 account. If the capitals are fixed, then you will prepare 2 account, कैपिटल एंड करंट बोथ. हमें दोनों बनाने पड़ेंगे. लेकिन अगर कैपिटल फ्लक्चुएटिंग है तो सिर्फ एक अकाउंट बनेगा, कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू प्रिपेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड करंट अकाउंट व्हेन दी कैपिटल्स आर फिक्स्ड. अगर कैपिटल फिक्स है तो हम कैसे कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाएंगे और कैसे करंट अकाउंट बनाएंगे. So this is how you will prepare capital account. You will record only 4 items. This is your debit side. On your left hand side is your debit side. On your right hand side is the credit side. Left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. On credit side, you will first record opening balance. By balance brought down, you will record opening balance. Then on the credit side, you will record if any additional capital is introduced by the partner. अगर partner ने कोई additional capital लगाई है, that will be also recorded on the credit side. So by cash addition of capital. Then third item will be recorded on debit side. If partner had withdrawn any capital, अगर partner ने कोई भी capital withdraw करी है, then it will be recorded on the debit side to cash account. And after recording these 3 items, you will find out the closing balance. And it will be to balance CD. Atharv, let me tell you that this is class 12th accountancy session and not 11th. So you can't ask your doubts related to class 11th in this session. So this is your capital account, guys. When the capitals are fixed, there will be only 4 items in the capital account. Opening balance and additional capital on the credit side, drawings and closing balance on the debit side. Now coming on to the current account. So when the capitals are fixed, all other item other than opening capital, other than additional capital and other than drawing, all other item will be recorded in the current account. तो अगर उन 4 के अलावा कोई भी चीज है तो वो कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होगी? करंट अकाउंट में. So left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. If current account balances are given, you will record it on the debit side, credit side. By balance brought down, opening balances. आप इसको कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करोगे? Credit side. Then you will record the thing that are given to the partner. अगर आपने पार्टनर को कुछ भी दिया है तो आप वो कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करोगे? करंट अकाउंट में. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन, प्रॉफिट ऑफ P&L अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, जो भी चीज आपने पार्टनर को दी है वो कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होगी? करंट अकाउंट में. क्योंकि हम इन्हें कैपिटल अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते तो कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? करंट अकाउंट में. Then all the things that are taken from the partner will be recorded on the debit side. To drawing, these are not out of capital. Drawings जो है वो 2 टाइप की होती है. Drawings are of 2 type. Out of capital and out of profits. So if the drawings are made out of capital, you will record it in the capital account. But if these are normal drawings, these are made out of profit, then it will be recorded in the current account. तो आप इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होगे कि ड्राइंग्स यहाँ भी रिकॉर्ड हो रही हैं, ड्राइंग्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में भी रिकॉर्ड हो रही हैं. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. These are the drawings out of capital and जो हमने कैपिटल अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड करी है वो आउट ऑफ कैपिटल वाली है, और जो हम यहाँ रिकॉर्ड करेंगे करंट अकाउंट में, these are out of profit. So on the debit side you will record drawings out of profit. Then you will record interest on drawing, because interest on drawing is charged from partner. So interest on drawing will be recorded on the debit side, and in case there is loss of P&L appropriation account, it will be also recorded on the debit side. So this is your current account. All the other item except those 4 items will be recorded in the current account. And at the end you will find out the closing balance. End में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Closing balance find out करेंगे. So the conclusion is, when the capitals are fixed, only 4 items are recorded in the capital account and all other items are recorded in the current account. What's the meaning of drawings out of profit? Drawings out of profit means the capital of the partner will remain as it is. जो भी capital है that will remain unchanged. Partner is withdrawing the amount from the profit that is earned by the company. The capitals will remain unchanged. So when it is said that partner have withdrawn 5,000, partner had withdrawn 10,000, it is by default out of profit. When the partners are withdrawing from capital, it will be specifically mentioned in the question. By default, it is always out of profit. No, partners loan account नहीं बनता first chapter में. It is made in dissolution chapter. So now we will do one example of partner capital account. So अभी हमने क्या किया? जब capital फिक्स्ड होती है, When the capitals are fluctuating, there will be only one account, that is capital account, and everything will be recorded in that one account. क्योंकि जब कैपिटल फ्लक्चुएटिंग होगी तो सिर्फ एक अकाउंट बनेगा, दैट इज कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो सब कुछ कहाँ रिकॉर्ड होगा? सब कुछ कैपिटल अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड होगा. एडिशनल कैपिटल, ड्रॉइंग्स, your interest on capital, your opening capital, everything will be recorded in the capital account. So now we will prepare the capital account of the question. हमने क्वेश्चन किया था, this question. So now we will prepare the capital account of this question. तो हम क्या करेंगे? कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाएंगे इस क्वेश्चन का. First of all, you will record the opening balances. First of all, you will record the opening balances on the credit side. So, buy balance brought down 50,000 and 40,000. You will record the opening balances. Then you will look at P&L appropriation account. आप P&L appropriation account देखोगे. We had allowed interest on capital to the partner. We have given interest on capital to the partner, 2,500 and 2,000. So interest on capital will be recorded on the credit side of capital account. Interest on capital कहाँ record करोगे? On the credit side. By interest on capital 2,500 and 2,000. So interest on capital will be recorded on the credit side. Then there is interest on drawing. There is interest on drawing. Interest on drawing will be recorded on the debit side. 2 interest on drawing, 300 and 240. So this will be recorded on the debit side. 2 interest on drawing, 300 and 240. You will also record the drawings. The drawing 10,000 and 8,000. This will also be recorded. इसको भी record करोगे capital account में. So drawings will be recorded on the debit side. 2 drawing, 10,000 and 8,000. You will record interest on drawing and drawings on the debit side. And at last, you will record the profit of P&L appropriation account. Profit 38,700 and 19,350. Profit will be recorded on the credit side. By P&L appropriation account 38,700 and 19,350. This is your profit of P&L appropriation account. Now we have recorded everything. So it's time to find out the closing balances. Do the total of credit side, subtract the total of debit. Your closing balance is 80,900. Again do the total of credit side, subtract the debit balances, and your closing balance is 53,110. So this is capital account. Anything given to the partner is recorded on the credit side, and anything taken from the partner is recorded on the debit side. So this is partner's capital account, and I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now, we have completed the P&L appropriation account topic. You have to do the questions of this on the first day. We will give how many days to this chapter? 3 days. On first day, we will do P&L appropriation account, and I have told you that what topics you are required to do. On second day, you will do past adjustment. On second day, you will do past adjustment. So what do you mean by past adjustment? क्या मतलब है past adjustment का? So if any of the appropriation, if any of the adjustment had given a wrong effect, you will correct that effect. अगर किसी एडजस्टमेंट की आपने गलत ट्रीटमेंट कर दी है तो अब उसके अफेक्ट को सही करना पड़ेगा. So what is past adjustment? It means correcting the incorrect effect of adjustment after closing the book. Your books have been closed, and after the books has been closed, you realized that interest on capital was allowed at a wrong percentage. आपने interest on capital गलत रेट पे दे दिया. Interest on drawings is charged at wrong percent. Just a minute, guys. So what is past adjustment? Past adjustment means interest on capital is either given at wrong percent or salary is given wrong, or interest on drawing is charged at a wrong percent. Past adjustment means you have given the wrong treatment to the adjustment. आपने adjustments को गलत treat कर लिया. So now if the adjustments are wrongly recorded, how will you correct them? So there is a specific table. You will prepare a table like this to pass adjustment entry. जब भी हम किसी item को गलत record कर लेते हैं, whenever the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, whenever the terms and conditions are not followed properly, then to correct those errors you have to pass adjustment entry. And how we will pass that adjustment entry? We will prepare a table like this. हमें ऐसी टेबल बनानी पड़ेगी. तो चलिए देखते हैं कि कैसे बनेगी टेबल. This is your step number 1. You have to make a table showing adjustment. So first column for particulars. Then how many partners are there? You will prepare one column for each partner. Particulars A, B, and then you will write down firm. So particular A, B, and firm. After that, you will divide them into two parts, debit and credit. You will divide each one of them into two parts, debit and credit. तो ये टेबल हमें बनानी है for past adjustment. And after that, you will follow these steps. After making the table, calculate all the amount due to partner. You will calculate the amount that is due to the partner, that is payable to the partner. And you will write it in the credit column of partner. You will write it in the credit column of partner. Because partner will receive it and the capital will increase. So you will record it in the credit column of the partner and debit column of the firm. अगर पार्टनर को कुछ भी देना है, if anything is payable to the partner, you will record in the credit of partner and debit of firm because it is expense of firm. Then in the second step, in the next step, you will calculate all the amount due from partner. If any amount is receivable from the partner, then you will calculate that one also. And it will be recorded on the debit side of partner because partner के लिए वो खर्चा है. Anything receivable from the partner is the expense of the partner. So you will record on the debit side of partner and credit side of firm. Because firm will receive it, for firm it is income. And after recording the amount due to partner and amount due from partner, The next step is to calculate the net balance of firm column. आप फर्म का नेट बैलेंस कैलकुलेट करोगे and you will distribute among the partner in the profit sharing ratio. You will find out the net balance of firm and that will be distributed between the partner in their ratio because it will be either profit or loss. The balance of the firm column will be either profit or loss, which will be distributed among partner in the ratio. And after distributing the profit and loss, you will find out the balance of each partner. You will find out the balance of each partner, and then at last you will pass the adjustment entry. So you have to follow all these steps to pass the adjustment entry. You have to follow these 6-step process to find the adjustment entry, to pass the adjustment entry. Now we have given a question. I will explain this question to you so that you can get an idea of how to prepare the adjustment table. So the question is, in a partnership firm, A and B are partners sharing profits equally. There are two partners, A and B. Their ratio is 1:1. So I will prepare the table. Particulars: A, B, firm. Particulars: A, B, firm. Then we will divide debit, credit, and debit, credit. This is the table. Now the question is saying the partners have distributed the profits of the firm without allowing the interest on capital of 20,000 and 30,000. We have omitted interest on capital. हम interest on capital देना भूल गए. So now we will give interest on capital to the partner. This is the amount payable to the partner. So interest on capital is omitted. Now you will give it to the partner and you will record on the credit side of partner. You will record on the credit side of partner because it is payable to partner. And the total 30,000 will be recorded on the debit side of firm. The total 30,000, the total interest on capital, you will record on the debit side of firm because it is expense of firm. Now, this 30,000 is a loss for the firm. So now this loss 30,000 will be distributed among the partner. This loss 30,000 will be distributed among partner. Loss distributed among partner. When you will distribute the loss, it will be distributed in their ratio. How you will distribute the loss? It will be distributed in their ratio. And now you will debit partner because it is loss. So 15,000 A and 15,000 B. It will be distributed equally. And now you can find out the balances of partner. Now you can find out the balances. The firm balance will be nil. 30,000 minus 30,000, firm balance will be nil. So balance of A will be 20,000 minus 15,000. The balance will be 5,000 credit because credit side is more. So A balance is 5,000 credit. B's balance 15,000 minus 10,000, 5,000. And it is debit balance because debit side is more. 15,000 is more. So this is your adjustment table. You can see that B is having debit balance and A is having credit balance. So the journal entry will be B's capital account debit to A's capital account 5,000. B's capital account debit to A's capital account 5,000. This is table showing past adjustment. Now coming on to the next topic that you have to do on the third day. So the topic is meaning of guarantee of a profit. Meaning of guarantee of profit. Guarantee का मतलब क्या होता है? Guarantee means we are promising some person to give that specific amount. हम किसी बंदे को promise कर रहे हैं कि आपको ये तो मिलेगा मिलेगा. So what is guarantee? Guarantee is defined as surety. आप किसी को promise कर रहे हो, surety दे रहे हो of a specific amount of gain. We are saying to the partner that every year you will get 50,000 profit. Every year you will get 1 lakh profit. तो हर साल आपको इतना profit तो मिलेगा मिलेगा. We are giving surety and that is known as guarantee. And such guarantee may be given either by any one of the partner. The guarantee can be given by any one partner or by all the partner. तो गारंटी एक पार्टनर भी दे सकता है और सारे पार्टनर्स मिलकर भी दे सकते हैं. And when the profits are not adequate, when the profits are less than the guaranteed profit, then the excess paid to guaranteed partner should be charged to the partner who has given guarantee. अगर आपने गारंटी दी है C को, if you have given guarantee to C that every year you will get 50,000 profit, but in reality he only received 30,000, then the excess 20,000, then the balance 20,000 will be paid by the partner who has given the guarantee. तो अगर उसको कोई भी कमी पड़ती है तो वो कमी कौन पूरी करेगा? जिस पार्टनर ने गारंटी दी है. So let's see some example. आइए कुछ example देखते हैं of guarantee. P, Q, R are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 to 1. Their ratio is 2 to 1. P and Q have guaranteed. P and Q दो partners ने guarantee दी है that R profit in any year shall not be less than 20,000. P and Q have given guarantee to R that his profit will not be less than 20,000. The net profit is 60,000. The net profit is 60,000. So you will distribute 60,000 between PQR in the ratio of 2 to 1. So 60,000 multiplied by 2 by 5. Every partner will get 24,000, 24,000 and 12,000. The profit for the year is 60,000. It will be distributed between PQR in the ratio 2 to 1. Now R is receiving only 12,000. R is receiving only 12,000 and we have given the guarantee of 20,000. We have given the guarantee of 20,000. So there is a deficiency of 8,000. Well done, Deepak. There is deficiency of 8,000. And this deficiency will be paid by P and Q. This deficiency will be paid by P and Q because they have given guarantee. Guarantee किसने दी? P and Q ने दी. तो जो भी कमी आई है वो कौन पूरी करेगा? P and Q in their ratio 2:2. दोनों की रेशो क्या है? 2:2. So it is 1:1. So they will pay the amount equally. So 4,000 will be paid by P, 4,000 will be paid by Q. दोनों क्या करेंगे, आधा आधा पैसा देंगे एंड R will get total 8,000. So this is guarantee. If there is any deficiency, then it will be borne by the partner who has given the guarantee. So here you can see the answer. We have subtracted 4,000 from P, 4,000 from Q, and total 8,000 is added to R. Now he will get 20,000 and remaining partner will also get 20,000. So these are the 3 topics which are important in the first chapter. Focus on these topics and you can easily score 4 out of 4 in this chapter. So these are your working notes. And that's it for today, guys. We have completed the first chapter. If you guys want to attend more such classes with me, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, which is available right now at only 2,799, which is available right now at 2,799. Because Miss Cute Song हम उनकी रेशो देखेंगे. PQR की रेशो है 2:1. P और Q की क्या रेशो है 2:2. तो 2:2 is 1:1. तो जो भी डेफिशिएंसी है वो P और Q पूरा करेंगे अपनी रेशो में, और P और Q की क्या रेशो है 2:2, which is 1:1. So you can take this pro subscription at only 2,799 because we are providing flat 20% discount right now. And for discount, you may use my code SCPRO. And there is many more to learn, guys. So see you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. same time for the next chapter. Till then, go and join our Telegram group if you want to receive these notes in the PDF form. तो जल्दी जाइए, PDF अगर आपको चाहिए तो Telegram group को join करें. The link is given in the description box below. And if you guys are new to the channel, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and also do like this video and do share this. हर क्वेश्चन में ऐड ही होगा. अगर आपके किसी पार्टनर को आपने गारंटी दी है और उसको कम प्रॉफिट मिला है तो ऐड होगा. अगर उसको गारंटी जितना प्रॉफिट ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है तो ऐड नहीं होगा. So guys, thank you so much for watching this session. Now see you all tomorrow with the next chapter, admission of our partner. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed this session. So do give it a big thumbs up. So good night guys. Have sweet dreams and take care. See you all tomorrow at same time, same place.